Hey guys, so one of the first upgrades I'm going to do on the WRX is put a catback exhaust on it. So the stock exhaust it's just too quiet for me. I like it loud. I like it a little bit louder. We'll see how loud the Invidia R400 is, because I know camera audio on YouTube doesn't give it justice, and I'm sure it's different in real life. But we'll see what happens. I picked up the Invidia R400 secondhand, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. But first, let me give you some stock revs. The car's been warmed up and everything like that. You probably can barely hear it, but I'm gonna set you guys up for some revs, and then I'm gonna start driving a little bit and let you hear the exhaust from driving. Excuse the mess, but what we're going to be installing today is a used Invidia Gemini R400 quad exhaust. It's the catback. Alright, to start this off, you're going to need 14mm wrench, 14mm socket. You can do it with a ratchet, but impact's easier. Alright, next you want to WD-40 the mounts. I'm going to go ahead and do this one too. Just makes them slide easier. Way easier. Got one. And number two. All right. The next step is getting the mid pipe off. Now there's no strain on that front one. Pretty sure it's a 13mm on the front, but we'll find out here in a second. That is not even a 13. That is a 12. Why am I being a dummy? I'm pretty sure this bolt's going to shoot off. Alright, mid pipe is out. Alright, put on your stock down pipe to 3-inch catback adapter. Make sure you put your gasket in between, and then you can finger tight it just so that it doesn't fall back out, but don't tighten it because we obviously still have a lot more to go. Alright, and then we move back to that where it tees off. Alright, so when you get back here, make sure you steady that mid pipe by your old exhaust because it works. Go ahead and put a bolt in to each side, put your gasket on. All right, got that hanger back on. And then leave that one loose as you're getting ready to put this mufflers on. Means this one's up there. So we'll go ahead and put on this one. So once you get your exhaust pipes or your mufflers, don't press your phone. But we're gonna go ahead and put the hanger on first. And we're gonna slide that hanger in. Make sure you don't forget your gasket, that mine fell out. Once you get this side on, rinse and repeat with the other side. Once you get those all on, then you can start going through from the front and start tightening it up and work your way towards the back. That way you can make sure your fitment is correct back here. And just like the front, make sure you tighten them up both evenly. Let's test her out and see what happens. Check for leaks. Get under and check for leaks. We get her off jack stands. All right, let's test her out. See what's happening. I don't know if you can hear the exhaust right now, but it's not that loud. I kind of like it, but you can actually hear the exhaust now. long. It's not bad at all with the windows up. You can hear the exhaust still, but it's not droney. It's not going to keep a conversation from happening. It's my normal talking voice, so it's not really going to affect much. It does drown out a little bit of that, little bit of the road noise from the tires. See what it sounds like with the windows down. Install. I bought it secondhand, couldn't pass it up. The price was way better than paying for it brand new. It only had like 3,000 miles on it installed, so it was a no-brainer to go ahead and do it because I've wanted this exhaust anyways. So hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure I'll get more clips driving inside, outside, all that stuff. Let me know what you want me to do next, or what you would like for me to do next, and we'll see what happens. And that's all I got for you.